Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going on an adventure and we're going to be working on the is250. Shee! There it is. So before we get started, as you guys know, we are Empty Garage, and if you're new here, welcome to the channel. If you are here from the Facebook page for the Mercedes, we'll get to that very soon. But today's video, we got the Lexus, we got parts. So today's gonna be a parts video and then partial install. So last time I had shown you guys for the Lexus, I had bought the intake manifold and the ported runner, but I messed up. I bought one for the 2 GR FSE, and mine is a 4 GR FSE. But thanks to my boy Trigger Spec, he took care of me. Look him up. He got me the right ones, and so here is his thing. There it is, Trigger Spec. Here is his custom ported manifold with the intake VVT valve runners, right? It's good to go. So this will be going in the car, replacing the factory ones, and then we're gonna do the spark plugs video, because in order to get to the spark plugs you got to take off the manifold anyways for the 1/2, and so I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. And what else? We got parts. I got some stuff to show you. So as you guys know, this is supposed to be the track car, you know, lightweight. What is it? LSD, rear wheel drive, 6-speed. Yeah, gotta make it look nice too. But I wanted to show you what we finally got. So as you guys know, I already have the carbon fiber hood, but check these bad boys out. Look what I also got. I should probably grab the other one. Hold on, give me like a sec. I'm still learning how to use this camera. Hold on. Still learning how to use this camera, guys. It's that Osmo DJI 3 whatever pocket. We got these. We got these. Look at that. Carbon fiber weave. But basically, if I could just hold it up right there. Bam, look at that. Look at that. Shee. And what I plan to do is make it so that the vents, at least for the intake side, are functional. So once I pull the fender off, the intake box, she's gonna go under the knife. That's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna see if I can't drill a hole into the side body to pull air out from the inside, from the outside, like in this general area right here. So we got the carbon fiber fenders finally. There's a Mercedes for you guys. There she is. So I'll be posting a breakdown video after I've washed her, because I still haven't washed her because of the fires over here. And then also when we went up to Washington, not Washington, sorry, I'm so stupid. That was for the wagon. From when we went we went up somewhere. It's in the video. Go watch it. To get this carbon fiber hood. See? And then the carbon fiber trunk, which was the last recent video when I broke my fucking camera because I left it on the car. But yeah, so anyways, so we got the carbon fiber fenders. We got the intake manifold ported. We got the catalytic converters. We got the carbon fiber vented hood. Hey, I got so many parts. And of course, way over here in our office, we got our carbon fiber trunk. I'm gonna put that spoiler on. So, but today, just for shits and giggles, we are going to be installing a very, not like super important, but maybe super important. We'll find out once we put it in the car and see how it feels when driving it. But we got this bad boy. Megan Racing Megan Racing strut tower bar. Right here. There it is. It's so hard to do this with one hand without the fear of dropping this damn camera. There it is. There it is. There it is, right? There. So we're going to put this thing in, and we're also going to go pick up the other one from the rear. So it'll be two. One in the front, one in the rear. And for those of you guys who don't know, apparently having these, right, strut bars is supposed to connect the shock towers and create more rigidity for the chassis. And there's a bunch of them that go underneath the car as well, and how people say it makes the car more predictable. We'll find out what that's like when we put it on the car and drive it normally. Right now it's at a stock height. We have the coilovers over there still waiting to be put in because I got a fender roll, and as you guys know, I went back to my 9-to-5 job because I work for the school district, so I can't be cranking out videos like I did over the winter break. But yeah, for sure we're gonna slap that in, and then we're gonna slap the other one in the rear today, and then I'm gonna take you guys with me, and I'm gonna let you guys know how it compares without it, as far as how rigid or stable the car feels going around corners. I mean, as it is, you guys know, and for those of you guys who do modify cars, especially with suspension work, the minute that you drop it, the car becomes a whole different car. Like the feel of it, the look of it, the whole nine. So I already know that it's going to feel different once I lowered it, right? Close those wheel gaps. I just want to see if this does anything noticeable while it's still at stock height, especially how they say around corners. So, all right, guys. So, oh, there it goes. There goes my fucking car. All right, so hood's open. All right. Let's see. So it's 3 bolts on each side. There are 14. Right, so you're just gonna crack them all off, and then after that, the bar is gonna run across the chassis up top. Whew. Yes, I know that these are gonna have to come down anyways afterwards again once the suspension goes on, but that's besides the point. I want to see if it makes a difference, a noticeable difference with handling before lowering it. Okay, so save your comments for yourself. I know, I get it, but yeah, we'll see once it's on, and then obviously when it makes a difference when the car's lower. So give me a minute, I'm gonna slap it on, go drive it, go pick up this part, let you how it knows, let you know how it goes, and then do the other one, and then give you guys an overall review before. All right, see you guys once this first one is installed. All right, guys, so we got the first brace in. Real easy job. It's only 6 bolts. There it is. That's what it looks like after it's installed. Just make sure all your bolts are tight. You don't want it to fall off or whatever the fuck, loosen your suspension, but you can see, very simple. 3 bolts. Oh, just kidding, I need to close that one too. It's 10 mil, but the other ones are 14. You will need to remove that little bracket out of the way to get this last one in. But yeah, we'll see how it goes when I drive it. I'm gonna go pick up these parts. Like I said, there's a couple of little windies around here, so I'm gonna see if it makes a difference. The only thing I don't like is that right there. I don't like the exposed look. I like everything to be, you know, like covered and stuff. So I'm gonna have to cut those covers so that way it can sit over the bar. So yeah, I'll do that in a bit. But for now, I'm gonna just test it and see how it feels while I'm driving. All right, see you guys after I get the other piece and install it. All right, peace.